Everybody, welcome back to the Brick Motorsport YouTube channel where I build cool Lego, mostly cool Lego cars just like this. And this is the Lego Speed Champion set 76901, the Toyota GR Supra. It has just under 300 pieces of 299, and this set will be really cool. I like how it is in yellow. If you look at the back here, it accents really nice off the 1x2 transparent red tiles as the taillights. Even in the interior view in there, it looks pretty cool. And here's a real picture of the real car. Actually, I was on the highway just a few days ago and I seen a real one. I have seen a yellow one before, a white one, and mostly a one past us. It zoomed right by. Anyway, the sticker job here, I will get to the review in a little bit. They could have done a little bit better, but I will do my best as putting them as close as possible so they look like one giant sticker. Anyway, I have my brick separator and we'll see what we get. Oops. Doesn't really matter. I'd get rid of these boxes at some point. We have two bags with little bags in within. We have the mold and some, not white, but transparent stickers. And the different rim choices, actually, there's been giving us the same two. And, of course, the instruction books. Well, we'll see you after the build and into the review section. back from the build, everybody. This is the review section of this video for the Toyota Supra GR, or Toyota GR Supra, sorry, I should say. Anyway, here's the wrench that you can change the rims out of. There's a nice black helmet with a white trans-clear visor. And the minifigure is nice. It has red hands with gloves, or they can fit with gloves, and there's nice black pants with a nice torso piece that says GR, or for Toyota stands for GR, Gazoo Racing, and in the back there's a nice Toyota logo here. This minifigure has a nice head. It has two facial expressions, one like one is like he's happy to drive. And the hair piece is really nice and fluffy, like he just had a very good race, and so on. And so forth, the Toyota Supra, here's the front of it. Here's the stickers. I put these on at the end because I didn't know how they were gonna look once I put them on after. But here they are. It looks okay, but from a distance it looks pretty good. I'm sure you can see, like, here it looks pretty good, but that's what it's Legos, it's stickers. That's the best you get. Here, more exposed studs, but they could have put like another thing, like tile there, but I think I'll do that, and it's pretty cool. Other than that, the side is nice. There's another sticker element right here with the exposed studs more on the side here. Here's the doors that they just pop on and off here with a dots element, a 1x1 modified curved brick there, and there's a triangle piece there as thing in here. Is some slope pieces as some arches, and it just looks really nice from this side. And this windscreen piece just pops on just by these two jumper plates here that are just holding it, and there's a 2x6 tile that's here covering it. And this is really nice. I really like the design of this one. Actually, I changed my mind in person. It looks really nice, and the build is really fun too. And I forgot to mention there is more sticker elements right here for a little bit more design. Towards the back, this thing could lift open if you move this. Actually no, because that's the way. So it's pretty much a little trunk. I guess you could put like a few hot dog pieces or like carrots in there, or you know, if you wanted to. Oh, I could even fit the wrench in there. And while we're at the back, here is the tile pieces. You know, it is yellow and it's more brighter, so you can see the studs there, but that's fine. It actually looks like the inside of the lights you would normally see on a car when they're lit up anyway, or not lit up. Sorry. But here's another 1x2 cheese slope, 30-degree angle with Toyota logo sticker on it. It's same thing applies down here, but it's just covered up there. Here is a printed GR 1x1 tile, and this is also printed with the two exhaust pipes as Technic pieces. The underside is okay, and here it is really flat. I had the tile. You might have seen me struggle a bit, but I actually had to turn the whole thing around because I was confusing on the instructions. Anyway, it's nice and black under here and smooth, and you can also see this whole black trim right here. It's really nice. Let's take a look in the inside view. Zoom in on you guys a little bit. Here, it's not too much detail here, but other than these 1x1 bricks that are kind of arched here, and there's some more clear, but I guess you could see the engine from in there. Other than that, there's no like real chairs or anything. You just plop them down on pretty much the base of the chassis right there, and there's not really a gear shifter, so I guess this is automatic for the minifigure to drive. There's some more of those right in there, but they're mostly right here as the headrest, and the cushions right here, some more slopes. The dashboard, I'm gonna say it's kind of boring. I guess you could put something there, I guess, and like, I mean, I don't know if you could, but you could probably swap it and put like, you know, like a mug, and most city sets do. Another black steering wheel for another Speed Champions this year. Other than that, this part of the dashboard is a slope brick right there. It's very nice. Anyway, that is pretty much it for this build. I really like this build. It's a build anyway, but if it sits on a shelf, well, as I will do, this is I think for the good $20 value, it is worth it. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what other amazing set you would like to see me build here on the channel soon. And yeah, and please subscribe. It makes me happy. This is what I like doing, and if you like it, that would be also more enjoyable as well. And so I can help out others and see what my honest opinion about this is. Anyway, that is about it for you guys today. Yeah. So anyway, that's it for now. Bye.